This is the elevator at 600 River Avenue in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. You can clearly tell this replaced an old freight elevator. It is now a thyssenkrupp Impulse Oildraulic. In the basement, interior go down. Here's the basement. Which opens directly into a parking garage. Go up to 4, ring the bell. And here you go up. You got 4. That is a nice dry powered motor. Back down to 1. FM. Certificate installed in 2001, but I think it's a thyssenkrupp, not a thyssendover, because of the way it acts. Nice cab. Interesting metal things there. Also like the handrail there. You're back at 1. That's going to be it.